Everywhere you scroll right now, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts, there's a high chance you've seen ads for the Airview Pro 4 triple camera drone. The visuals look insane. Cinematic mountain shots, smooth aerial tracking, storm footage, and bold claims that make it sound like a professional drone at a shockingly low price. The website promotes it as a next-gen drone with a triple camera system, long flight time, obstacle avoidance, and ultra-high-resolution video, all for a fraction of what big brands charge. On paper, it sounds almost too good to ignore. Now, let's talk about the red flags, because this is where things start falling apart. The first big issue is the pricing. The Airview Pro 4 claims specs that are normally found in drones costing thousands of dollars. Professional drones with advanced cameras, long flight time, and obstacle avoidance don't sell for the price of a video game. There's no realistic way a company can deliver those features at this cost without cutting massive corners. The next red flag is the website itself. You'll notice countdown timers pushing you to buy fast, alerts saying only a few units are left, and big discount banners that reset if you refresh the page. These pressure tactics are designed to stop you from thinking logically. On top of that, the site shows thousands of happy customers but provides no real proof, no verifiable reviews, and no traceable order information. Another concern is the lack of company transparency. There's no clear business address, no phone number, and no real customer support presence. Most contact options lead to a generic email. When you search online for real user experiences, you don't find detailed YouTube reviews, unboxing videos, or Reddit discussions from genuine buyers. Instead, you find multiple websites selling the same drone under different names, using the same photos and the same marketing language. When you compare the Airview Pro 4 to similar drones sold on wholesale platforms, things become clearer. The design matches entry-level toy drones that are mass-produced and rebranded. These drones are often sold cheaply in bulk and then marketed as premium products using exaggerated specs. In real-world use, these types of drones usually have very short flight times, weak signal range, poor stabilization, and low-quality cameras that are often upscaled rather than true high-resolution. The footage shown in the ads is another major warning sign. Those smooth, cinematic shots are not coming from this drone. They're typically taken from professional drones and reused to create hype. In reality, buyers often report shaky video, drifting and light wind, no proper GPS stabilization, and performance that feels more like a toy than a serious camera drone. So, what's the final verdict? The Airview Pro 4 may technically fly, but it does not deliver anything close to what the ads promise. This isn't a revolutionary drone disrupting the market. It's a heavily marketed budget drone being sold with premium claims. If you're expecting professional-level performance, you're almost guaranteed to be disappointed. If you've seen these ads or already purchased the Airview Pro 4, share your experience in the comments. Your feedback can help others avoid making the same mistake. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss future reviews where we separate real tech from overhyped marketing.